Close your eyes for a second and picture this. A quiet room, a window open to night. A soft hum, like a city breathing. You're not rushing. This is not about hurry. It is about peace. Peace studies teaches us how societies calm conflict. What if I tell you the same ideas can turn a solo hour or a partnered experiment into a tiny peace treaty with your own body? I once ran a small workshop where we began with 5 minutes of breath. No phones, no shame, just breath. Men in suits, men with partners at home, everyone learning to slow their pulse. Then I brought out a simple device, a smooth, honest little machine, and asked them to notice, not to act, to notice their reaction. The urban legend made everyone laugh. There was a monk in the mountains who used a wind bell to reach peace. We joke that a modern bell just happens to vibrate. Here is the seed. Masturbation can be a practice of calm focus. Set the scene. Clear a safe space. Think like a peace researcher. Map your needs. Note your boundaries. Ask consent if a partner will be involved. If a machine is in the picture, treat it like a research instrument. Read the manual, check the battery, clean it, and choose a setting that feels gentle. Safety and care are not boring. They are the foundation of good pleasure. Try a tiny ritual. Dim the lights. Breathe slowly in fours. Out-sit. Place the device near you without turning it on. Feel your heartbeat. Let curiosity lead, not urgency. If your partner is there, make it playful. A hand on your shoulder. A soft laugh. The click of a remote. Some couples love the idea of one person holding the device while the other relaxes. It becomes a trust exercise, a negotiation of power that can feel oddly peaceful, like two diplomats learning a new language. There is a rumor, maybe true, about a coastal town where lovers would time their breathing to the tide and the small machine's rhythm. They called it syncing, and the stories say it made connection deep and steady. I tried a version of that in my own life. Slow breath, eyes closed, and a partner reading poetry. The result was curiosity, laughter, then a gentle release that felt more like relief than fireworks. That relief was the point, a calm setter, not a climax sprint. If you want to experiment tonight, keep it simple. Safety first, consent always, curiosity foremost. Explore different rhythms. Not to chase a number, but to learn what calms you and what excites you. Use a clean device, a little lube if it helps ease the path. And talk afterward. Share what surprised you. Treat each session like a field note in your own peace study. Pleasure can be scholarly and a little wild. It can have myths and machinery, candles, and instruction manuals. Most of all, it can teach you how to be gentle with yourself and how to invite your partner into a slow, delicious treaty. Try it, not as a race, but as a study of what peace feels like from the inside.